In this video, I'll detail how to set timer in iPhone camera. So if you have an iPhone and you want to take a self picture, then you need to set in the timer on your iPhone. So with this, you'll be able to position yourself properly, whether you're using the triple stand or not. So basically here, I'm going to walk you through how you can set timer in iPhone camera. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do is just go ahead and hold the camera application on your iPhone like this. Then make sure you select either photo or portrait. So these are the two features you can use to set timer on your iPhone. So go ahead, select photo or portrait on your iPhone camera. Now, once you selected either a photo or portrait, go ahead and click on this pointed arrow like this. Then it's going to reveal all this information, or better still, swipe up on photo like this to reveal the menu. Now, to set your timer, just locate this timer icon. That's the first icon before the last icon. This, click on that, and then you should see timer off, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, or 5 seconds. If you're using old iPhone like iPhone 6, iPhone 7, then you should see the timer at navigation at the top here. But for the sake of at the top here, but here, if you have it down beneath, go ahead and choose the timer like this. You can choose 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds. Then once you are done, you should see the timer at the top here. Then position your camera very well and then click on the shutter button. So this is going to last 10 seconds. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to use 3 seconds. Then click on the shutter button. Then you should see the countdown here. You see that? Then this is the picture taken. So in some cases, your iPhone timer can take a burst photo. So while your iPhone timer take a burst photo, it can take up to 10 photos at the same time. So all you just need to do to disable this, you just come here and make sure you enable live. So if this is disabled in your own case, just tap on it once to turn on live, and once live is turned on, then you're gonna have this kind of photo. Then after the timer, just come to the live photo you took, click on live, and then live off. So that is it. So that is basically how to set timer in iPhone camera. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.